Hello class, good afternoon. So today I will discuss adding and subtracting similar fractions. When we say similar or like fractions, these are the fractions that have the same denominator. So as you can see here, 1/5, 2/5, and 3/5, these are an example, or these are examples of similar fractions because they have common denominator or they have similar denominator. So another is 1/7, 5/7, 3/7. This is again example of similar fractions because they have similar or like denominators. So example, what is the sum of 2/5 and 1/5? So first is we can add it using bar, or we can add it directly. So just draw 2/5, then the other one is 1/5. After you draw it using bar, then you can directly add or count the number of shaded part of each fraction. 1, 2, 3. Then shade it or shade the three parts. So as you can see, we have here 2/5 plus 1/5. Then count the number of shaded part, 1, 2, 3, 3. Then the denominator is 5 since the whole is being divided into 5 equal parts. Or you can add it directly, 2/5 plus 1/5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then just copy the common denominator, which is 5. So the sum of 2/5 and 1/5 is 3/5. Next example is subtracting similar fractions. So what is 3/5 minus 1/5? So we should draw first 3/5. Then shade the three parts since the numerator is 3. Then divide the whole into 5 equal parts since the denominator is 5. So the next thing that we're going to do is to remove 1/5 from 3/5. So if we remove 1/5 from 3/5, just cross out one part because that is 1/5. What's left is 1, 2. Then count the number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the difference of 3/5 and 1/5 is 2/5, or you can directly subtract it. 3/5 minus 1/5 is 3 minus 1 is 2. Then copy the common denominator, which is 5. Another example is what is 3/6 plus 5/6. So first, draw 3/6. Then shade the three part, 1, 2, 3, and it is 6 equal parts. Then 5/6. Shade the 5 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add how many parts are being shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since we have 8 parts, then we can draw 2 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then shade it all. Then another whole, divide it into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 1 and 2, 6. Or if we count all the number of shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the denominator is 6. So the answer, or the sum of 3, 6 and 5, 6 is 1 and 2, 6. Another way of adding this one is using number line. So first is we have 3, 6, then from 0 to 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. The next is, because each part is 1, 6, the next is we have 5, 6. So we will move again into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we end here. So the product of 3, 6 and 5, 6 is 8, 6. Next is we use number line in getting the difference of 5, 6 and 2, 6. So first we move to 5, 6. So proceed to 5, 6 minus 2, 6. So since it is minus, you will go back to 6, or you will move backward 2 parts. So 1, 2. So this one is the difference of 5, 6 minus 2, 6. Again, first is 5, 6. Then next is just move backward or twice backward because our numerator is 2. Then 1, 2. So the product or the difference of 5, 6 and 2, 6 is 3, 6. For your activity, answer quiz A on page 203. Write your solution on a sheet of paper. Take a photo of your answer. Send it by private message. Deadline November 26.